Zimbabweans, you need to see how corrupt all this is. This person called Tagwirei is theft. He started off a long time ago in this SDA church itself. Things are not well. He wanted to steal the church by buying people cars and all that. Sanapinda mashuka kubira panapa chiexposwa vana Tagwirei pamwe chete nevanhu vari close kunotungamirira wenyika nobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Geza anoendera mberi achiti Sandawana, which is an emerald mine in Perengwa, you once heard that he is an owner. He did not pay anything. Tagwirei was later told by finance ministry, your debt is now aged. Tagwirei then said, this debt I am now offsetting it. I am now selling my shares in Kuvimba to offset my debt. He then offsetted the company. Kuvimba was now valued at 1.5 billion US. So in other words, government now paid itself without a cent being paid. He then remained with 35%. After a year, he then returned to government and said, I am now selling the whole of Kuvimba. At that time, he had brought it his company called CBZ Capital to reevaluate Kuvimba. So Kuvimba was validated at 5.4 billion. That's when another company was formed called Mutapa. Him and Mnangagwa were behind all that. Upon selling Kuvimba, he came out with 1.9 billion of corrupt money. He didn't stop there. He's now the Central Committee of ZANU-PF. He doesn't end there. He wants to be made president of the country. This is totally bullshit. It is unacceptable. Geza achistopa vakuona vana Tagwirei vari kuti aiwa, these guys, they are behind massive corruption. They are acting and catalyzing behind the president. Panoiswanikwa kunzi aiwa vari kuluta aiwa mari yese yenyika, aiwa mapublic funds, mari yese kutreasury, hapasina nyika chari kusara inayo nokuda kwethese guys, and now they are mobilizing to become kupresidential. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Muda comment section menu mudze mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like and chat on the bell icon.